Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back and good morning everyone. In today's video is we're going to the forest to my father job work because we help today because my father is that he harvests the charcoal, so that we need to help him because for the that to make it finish early, because if the more workers the more faster. Oh my god, it's raining. This is my sisters, my 4 sisters, and my son and my father. This is my father, our I mean, and also me and my youngest son. Oh, it's raining. Careful. We're going to we walk we walk about 1 hour. Oh my goodness. 1 hour of walking. 1 hour, yes. So it's raining. We need to I need to cut the video. I will take it to the bag. It's because wow. Bye guys. I will update to you later when I'm gonna. So guys, my God, the way is so very slippery. It's so wet. It's so slippery. Oh, it's rain. We struggle to go downstairs. It's because of the look at my youngest sister. Hey, are you okay? Ann. It's so slippery. Oh my god.
Slippery.
It's slippery. Come on. We went to the upstairs. My sister pick my son because my eldest son he said he's so he's so tired. So my sister is gone. And there's a house here, but no one can stay. It's a native house. Native. But no one can stay. It's because of far away in the in the barrio, in the barangay. So that oh, there's a nice view here.
Sit down,
Look at
sit down.
what a nice view.
Good. No.
Overlooking to the ocean. So we need to stay first. It's because it's so very tired. Look at my sisters. What her position here. Sorry for my voice. It's so paos. It's been 20 minutes walk. 30 na. 28 minutes walk from my house to there. So we need to walk another 30 minutes. It's because it's been 1 hour walking, going to my father job, making charcoal like that. Slowly. Be careful. It's time to relax. This is my second time and we relax because it's so tired. Wala na ibalay dito. Sana atong kato.
Lagas.
Kato katong orange. Sa trapal na trapal.
O lagas. Shan!
Dalagi nagbalay din
Ulwa din yung matamay.
kalat kalat.
Di ba natin beritangkal? Beritangkal.
Shan.
Siya maglungag ti maglaso ra na siya.
Okay. There's a other charcoal maker here. This is my uncle. But this is not my father's side. This is my uncle charcoal maker. You know, it's oh my god, it's so struggle here. You know, guys, all of the millennial here, you need to finish your study if you want to experience the struggle like this. Much better if you finish your study, you got good work. You did not experience like this. This is what I told you. You do not experience like this struggle life. Finally, we are here. Hey, Stong! My cousin and my nephew is here. Hi! Ha! Muna naman kag-amo. You look like just a monkey. Tong!
Nagkabuling na.
My uncle and auntie starting to get out the charcoal. My father also starting now. Hardlock di naman ka? This is my father's side. This one. This is the charcoal inside.
Kasama pa dito sa ito. Kuya ra ba siya?
Tawag nga ito wag kamera gay. Tawag.
Gilaw palagi.
Usa hilaw tinakon naman ni.
Wa pa lang liki.
Lati na pagod naman na. Asa?
May lahi nga aswang.
Ikatugo naman ito.
Pakanon pa na.
Tapos ko niya sa akin kung sako nga kanang gamay ba ora man.
Taba na, taba. Taba.
Ituot siya, tayo naman.
Uot.
Ano na kayo?
Masaan ubot. Di ko lang kayo ba? What you doing?
We're
Grilled.
doing ano?
Grilled dried fish?
Yeah.
Okay. Do it.
Ako te. I'm eating... Ano te?
Sweet potato.
Loading ka dirang gapita ba?
Wala tayo tubig. Oh, tunga lang sa baso.
Ano namatay? Inirik na po ni Binto.
Oh.
Ang anak ko libre din ko na dalo na ba? Timbang-timbangan na to. Timbang-timbangan. Oh, lami ni dadon tanit eh.
Baksiwan.
No, that's bad.
Look. Kung wala gani, that's bad. Tumbangan ako di.
Dili na to sa kampapan niya.
Walo ka.
Oh, kamote naman.
Kamuti naman na.
Dry buho, dry buho.
Ayaw pagpukpuk ka.
Ipo sa may tas tandaga pa ba?
Kaya pa videoan ka pa reklamo?
Lebih juga ba ray?
Ito na video. Bakit bang muna ako kailan nun?
Tara, giwi lang akin.